Hello, fellows. Welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your best crypto plug for all things crypto. Today, we have a hot and trending topic that every Shiba Inu enthusiast needs to hear about. We're diving deep into the recent surge of 1.97 trillion Shiba Inu tokens moved within just 24 hours, even as bearish sentiments still dominate the market. Could this be a sign of a major price rebound? We'll be breaking it all down for you, including what's driving this sudden spike in on-chain activity, the whale involvement, burn rates, and what it all means for SHIB's future. So grab your coffee, stay tuned, and make sure to watch this video to the end for all the juicy details. And as always, remember, we are not financial advisors. Everything shared here is for educational purposes only. Always do your research before making any financial decisions. All right, let's get right into it. Shiba Inu, the meme coin that has taken the crypto world by storm, is showing some intriguing signs that have investors buzzing. Even though the market has been somewhat bearish, recent on-chain data suggests that SHIB could be positioning itself for a comeback. The big question is, are the whales getting back in, and could this lead to a price rebound? According to recent data from Block, the Shiba Inu network has seen a notable surge in large transactions, particularly those involving major players, commonly referred to as whales. For those new to the term, whales are large holders of cryptocurrencies who can influence market movements significantly with their buying or selling decisions. And guess what? These whales are waking up. The data shows that the number of large transactions involving Shiba Inu reached 45 in the last 24 hours, up from a 7-day low of 34 transactions. Now, why is this significant? Large transactions are often a signal that institutional investors or large holders are making moves. These aren't your typical day traders. These are the big players, and their actions can provide early clues about where the market might be heading. Just think about it. If whales are buying or moving large amounts of SHIB, it's usually a good sign that something big is on the horizon. The 45 large transactions noted in the past day represent transactions over $100,000, and this resurgence in whale activity has pushed the movement of SHIB tokens to a staggering 1.97 trillion in just 24 hours. This is the highest level of activity since the beginning of September, showing that the whales are not sitting idle. To put things into perspective, on September 1st, we saw only about 696.5 billion SHIB tokens move. So this massive jump to nearly 2 trillion tokens in just a day is eye-catching, to say the least. The USD value of these large transactions has also seen a substantial boost, reaching approximately $25.8 million within the same 24-hour window. Although this is slightly lower than the $49.37 million observed on August 30th, the renewed interest from whales is a promising sign for potential price movements. But that's not all, folks. Beyond the whale activity, there's another important factor that could drive future price action: the SHIB burn rate. Burning tokens means permanently removing them from circulation, reducing the total supply, and theoretically increasing the value of the remaining tokens. According to SHIBburn, the community-driven tracker that monitors SHIB burn activities, there has been a significant spike in the burn rate, which jumped by over 40.5%. Just recently, about 2,064,565 SHIB were incinerated on Tuesday, a move that could play a crucial role in supporting SHIB's price in the long run. This is particularly interesting when we compare it to the famous burn event on August 31st, when the Living the Dream Ltd project burned a whopping 500 million SHIB in just 2 days. While the recent burn numbers don't quite match that massive event, they still reflect a community that is actively working to add value to the token by reducing its supply. Burning might seem like a small action, but over time, these efforts accumulate and can make a significant impact on the token scarcity. For Shiba Inu holders, every bit counts, and seeing the community-driven burn activities ramp up is certainly encouraging, especially in times when market sentiment is mixed. Now, let's bring in some reality. Despite the positive developments with whale activity and increased burns, SHIB's price hasn't reflected these bullish signals just yet. As of this morning, SHIB's price continued to dip, down by over 2.5% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at about $0.00001322. This shows that while there's action happening on the back end, the broader market sentiment remains cautious and somewhat bearish. Market sentiment is crucial, especially in crypto where fear and greed often dictate price movements more than fundamentals. Over the past 7 days, the number of bearish addresses, or those that have sold more than 1% of the token's 24-hour trading volume, stands at 138, compared to 132 bullish addresses that bought more than 1% of the trading volume. This slight edge of bears over bulls tells us that selling pressure is still present, and SHIB isn't out of the woods yet. We must also consider the broader market environment. The crypto market as a whole has been under pressure recently with regulatory concerns, macroeconomic uncertainties, and a general pullback from risk assets contributing to a cautious mood among investors. For SHIB, these broader market conditions are important to watch as they can either amplify or dampen the effects of any positive on-chain activities. So where do we go from here? Is a SHIB rebound on the horizon, or will the bears continue to keep prices suppressed? Here are some key factors to watch in the coming days. Keep an eye on large transactions. If we continue to see a rise in these big moves, it could signal that whales are positioning for a potential price surge. Community-driven burns are crucial. Higher burn rates reduce supply, which can support price increases over time, especially if demand remains steady or grows. SHIB doesn't exist in a vacuum. Be aware of the overall crypto market conditions, as broader trends will impact SHIB's price movement. Watch for key support and resistance levels. A break above significant resistance could indicate a shift in market sentiment. Any major announcements, partnerships, or developments in the Shiba Inu ecosystem can serve as catalysts for price movements. Stay tuned to the latest news and don't be caught off guard. In conclusion, while the increased on-chain activity and burn rates are promising signs, it's important to stay cautious. The market remains volatile, and external factors can quickly change the outlook. As always, make sure you're informed, keep track of these key metrics, and approach every investment with a balanced view of both risks and opportunities. Thank you all for tuning in today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What do you think? Are we on the cusp of a major rebound for Shiba Inu, or will the bears keep ruling the market? Drop your thoughts below, and let's get this discussion started. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.